Festivals. Key points: Diwali, Holi, Christmas, Gurpurab, Eid, national festivals.
Misha and Tapas, help your father in decorating the house. Till then, I am preparing sweets for all of us. Yes, Mom, it's Diwali tomorrow. I want our house to be well decorated. Brother, do you know what is a festival? Yes, a festival is a special day. We have a lot of fun on festivals.
India is a land of festivals. We celebrate many festivals with our family and friends. These are special days of fun, meeting people and exchanging gifts. Diwali. Diwali is also called the Festival of Lights. Everyone celebrates it with great enthusiasm. On this day, we worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. People decorate their homes with diyas, candles, and colorful lights. They wear new clothes, eat sweets, and exchange gifts. We should not burn crackers on Diwali as they harm the environment. Holi. Holi is also called the Festival of Colors. It marks the arrival of spring season. It is a festival of having a lot of fun. On this day, people play with colors and gulal. Sweet dishes are prepared at homes. A special dish called gujia is prepared. In evening, people wear new clothes and meet each other. They wish Happy Holi or Shubh Holi each other. Christmas. We celebrate Christmas on 25th December every year. On this day, Lord Jesus Christ was born. People go to church and offer prayers. Some people decorate Christmas tree at their home. Children believe that on this day, Santa Claus brings gifts for them. Gurpurab. Gurpurab is celebrated to mark the birth of Sikh Gurus. On this festival, people go to Gurudwara and pray. They read hymns from the Guru Granth Sahib. Special meals called langar are served free to all. People also light up their houses. Eid. Eid is celebrated at the end of a month-long fasting and praying called Ramzan. On this day, people wear new clothes and go to mosque to pray. They wish Eid Mubarak each other. A special sweet dish called sevia is prepared and distributed on this day. National festivals. Some festivals are celebrated all over the country. These are called national festivals. Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26th January every year. Our constitution came into force on this day. Independence Day. It is celebrated on 15th August every year. Our country got independence from the British rule on this day. Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Mahatma Gandhi was born on this day.